You're cruising uphill with two kids on the back, a week's worth of groceries strapped in, and suddenly your e-bike gives out halfway. The motor can't keep up, the battery's draining fast, and it's all caved in into a sweaty uphill push. This scenario, fortunately, is now history. One of the bikes in this video completely eliminates this problem with a dual battery setup, and it's a budget-friendly beast with 450 pounds of hauling power that laughs in the face of hills. In 2025, the number one frustration for most buyers is spending thousands on an e-bike that underperforms on range, hauling capacity, or power. But today's best cargo e-bikes are smarter, tougher, and more affordable than ever before. From torque sensors that deliver buttery smooth pedal assist to 750 watts motors that conquer hills without breaking a sweat, we've rounded up the top 5 cargo e-bikes of 2025 that are actually worth your money. Stay tuned till the end, because the number one pick might just replace your second car. Coming in at number 5 is the Flyer Via, and let me tell you, this isn't just a bike, it's a family-hauling, grocery-loving, errand-dominating car replacement on 2 wheels. This one is actually one of the most expensive in this list, so it is ranked at number 5. It is priced at around $2,399. Do remember that all links are in the description below. From the brand that brought you the iconic red wagon, the Via delivers massive utility right out of the box. No need to spend extra on basic accessories. You get padded seats, grab bars, and even footrests built in. It's ready to haul kids, cargo, or both on day one. And here's what really makes it shine, the torque sensor. Unlike basic pedal assist bikes, this one responds to how hard you pedal, giving you a smooth, natural ride that feels more like cycling and less like coasting. Add a thumb throttle for when you need a break, and you've got the best of both worlds. With a 500 watts motor, UL certified safety systems, Tektro hydraulic brakes, and a payload capacity of 400 pounds, the Via is built to carry serious weight, safely and confidently. Top it off with bright turn signals, weatherproof accessory options, and a design that actually looks good while hauling the neighborhood. And the Flyer Via proved you don't need 4 wheels to run your life. At number 4, meet the Blix Packa Genie, which is priced at $1,599. It is an electric cargo bike that truly lives up to its name. This isn't just a utility bike. It's a wish granted for families, commuters, and anyone ready to ditch the car for good. With a massive 400-pound payload capacity, the Packa Genie hauls groceries, kids, gear, whatever your life throws at it, with smooth, stable handling that makes it feel less like a tank and more like a glide. And if range anxiety is your concern, Blix has you covered. With the optional dual battery setup, you can ride up to 80 miles on a single charge. Yes, 80 miles. That's road trip territory for an e-bike. The 750 watts motor has the torque to take on hills even fully loaded, and the hydraulic disc brakes bring all that weight to a confident stop. It's packed with smart features like integrated lights, a USB charger, a walk mode, and an ergonomic cockpit that's made for all-day comfort. And let's talk accessories. Blix gives you over 200 different setup combos, so you can tailor this ride to your lifestyle without compromises. If you're looking for a cargo e-bike that delivers premium performance without the premium price, the Packa Genie might just be the magic you're looking for. At number 3, the Rad Power RadWagon 5 is the cargo e-bike that feels more like a rolling fortress than a bike, and we mean that in the best way possible. The price is towards the higher side at around $2,399. However, this thing was built to haul with a 375-pound payload capacity, room for passengers, and the kind of stability that makes carrying your most precious cargo, yes, we mean your kids, feel rock solid. Rad didn't just upgrade the RadWagon. They completely redesigned it for safety, comfort, and serious everyday utility. The new 750 watts motor with torque sensor gives you smooth, controlled power whether you're cruising, climbing, or loaded to the max. Add in Tektro hydraulic disc brakes, a suspension fork, and 20-inch wheels with 3.3-inch wide tires, and you've got one of the most comfortable rides in the game, even on rough roads. Rad didn't stop there. The integrated lights with turn signals, Safe Shield UL certified battery, and one of the best displays we've seen on any e-bike make this ride feel like a well-engineered machine. And yes, Class 3 speeds up to 28 miles per hour, totally unlocked. With a huge catalog of accessories, The RadWagon 5 is built for families, commuters, or anyone looking to ditch the second car. This isn't just a cargo bike, it's a lifestyle upgrade on two wheels. Next up, the Lectric XPedition 2.0, which is priced at $1,399, might just be the most value-packed cargo e-bike on the market right now. This beast can haul up to 450 pounds, yet it rides like something half its size. Lectric took everything great about the original Expedition and turned the dial way up. Want range? You can now go up to 200 miles on the dual 17.5 amp-hour mega battery setup. That's insane range for a bike that starts at just $1,399. It's also more comfortable and capable than ever. The new 50mm suspension fork smooths out rough roads, while the torque sensor makes the ride feel incredibly responsive. No delay, no lag, just instant power when you need it. And with 8-speed Shimano gearing and a quiet 750 watts motor, you've got the tools to tackle hills with ease, even fully loaded. They also nailed the little things: a beefy new kickstand that won't sink into grass, turn signals and brake lights for added safety, a crisp color display with a USB-C port, and that updated rack. It now holds up to 300 pounds and fits all the accessories you could want. Bottom line, the Expedition 2.0 punches way above its price tag. It's a true car replacement contender that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get serious performance. Now, if you're looking for a smart, feature-packed cargo e-bike without breaking the bank, check out the Aventon Abound LR. At just $1,999, this longtail hauler brings big bike capability with an impressively refined ride. It's built tough, with a sleek aluminum frame, hydraulic brakes, and a powerful 750 watts motor that handles hills like a champ, even with a full load. Speaking of loads, this thing carries up to 440 pounds, making it perfect for everything from groceries to school drop-offs. The ride feels smooth and natural, thanks to Aventon's dual torque sensor system and front suspension fork, and that 3-inch wide tire setup. Super comfy, even on bumpy streets. Aventon also ditched the old folding stem in favor of a more stable BMX-style bar setup, much more solid and confident on the road. But here's where it gets really cool. The Abound LR has built-in GPS tracking, motion alerts, remote locking, and even geofencing through the Aventon app. You can literally lock and track your bike from your phone. With turn signals, brake lights, a bright display, and an included frame bag, this thing is loaded. Bottom line, the Abound LR feels like a premium cargo e-bike, but with a price tag that makes it crazy accessible. So which one should you go for? If luxury and instant utility are your thing, the Flyer Via at $2,399 is your ready-to-roll, all-in-one family hauler. Need customization and epic range? The Blix Packa Genie delivers big time at $1,599. For rock-solid safety and comfort, the RadWagon 5 brings Class 3 power for $2,399. If you want maximum value, the Lectric XPedition 2.0 is unbeatable at just $1,399. And for smart tech meets everyday practicality, the Aventon Abound LR at $1,999 might just be the sweet spot. That brings us to the end of this video on the best cargo e-bikes of 2025. We hope you found this video useful. Do like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top for more videos like this one. Also, do share your thoughts in the comments section below.